Have you ever paused to wonder what would happen if a bird could flap its wings in the limitless expanse of space? The concept is as alluring as it is perplexing. But before we get carried away by the poetic image of a sparrow darting between stars, we must address the harsh realities of physics and biology. The simple truth is, birds are not designed to fly in space. Birds have evolved over millions of years to thrive in the unique conditions on Earth, and their ability to fly is intimately tied to the presence of our planet's atmosphere. They rely on air to generate lift, the force that counteracts gravity and allows them to rise off the ground. As a bird flaps its wings, it pushes air downward. In response, the air pushes the bird upward, creating lift. Now consider the vacuum of space. It lacks air or any other matter. In this void, a bird's wings would have nothing to push against. No air resistance means no lift. Consequently, the bird would be unable to ascend or move forward. Its wings, though powerful and agile on Earth, would be rendered utterly useless in space. But the absence of air is not the only barrier to avian space travel. The gravity, or rather the microgravity, in space, would also present a significant challenge. Birds on Earth use gravity to help control their altitude, direction, and stability. They tilt their bodies and adjust their wing strokes to navigate the pull of gravity. In space, where gravity is virtually non-existent, these navigation techniques would fail. A bird would struggle to maintain balance and direction, severely disrupting its ability to fly. Furthermore, the respiratory systems of birds are highly specialized to handle Earth-specific mix of gases. They have evolved to extract oxygen from the air, which is then used to fuel their high-energy flight muscles. Space, however, is devoid of oxygen and other atmospheric gases. Without these crucial elements, a bird's respiratory system would fall short, and it wouldn't survive long. So to recap, the dream of birds flying in space may be enchanting, but it remains a fantasy. The absence of air in space, the microgravity, and the lack of essential atmospheric gases all pose insurmountable barriers to avian space travel. Birds, with their incredible adaptations, are masters of the skies here on Earth, but the stars are beyond their reach. The cosmos, with its void and altered gravitational forces, remains an inhospitable frontier for our feathered friends. It seems then, that the birds must leave space exploration to us humans and our machines, while they continue to grace our skies with their aerial ballet.